So remember, these are all designed to simulate human intelligence, and we'll give you I will give you a quick example so then you know what I'm talking about. So you may not know there's a whole section on ChatGPT where you can drop in Metaprompts about who you are and what your life is like, so that it actually can answer everything inside of a context of how things are done, right? So these are called Metaprompts, giving them context. Then we have the engineer prompts, which are literally prompts that are designed for the bot to understand how you want things done. Engineer prompts have a certain sequence to them, as you will be going to learn the different things that you want to get weighted differently in the prompt. So if you start off with something, it's getting weighted higher versus if you're talking about something later in the prompt. You learn about how engineering prompts actually are also based down when you are repeating certain things to the bots. So this is the process of refining your request in a proper sequence that the bot can understand. But remember, this is all done in your language. It's all done in natural language. It's really the sequence that you are going to start to learn. Then we have the prompt iteration. How do you actually take prompts? And how you can split these prompts or actually iterate them by changing them to get different outputs, to be able to compare the different outputs that you're getting, right? So you're iterating, you're asking one thing, and then they give you an output, and then you continue asking more questions or prompting for changing things. Then we get prompt chaining, which is when you're actually stacking prompts. Sometimes it's referred as prompt stacking, as we start to use it to personalize or refine our output from ChatGPT. We also have prompt contexting, which is learning how to describe what you want to the bots to, so they can actually assist you and support you in creating the prompt. So that's kind of like the gist of it. And then the negative prompting is explaining to it what you do not want, which is sometimes just as valuable as explaining what is it that you want. I don't know if you knew about all this stuff, but it's a lot.